Are you tired of working the standard 9-to-5 job? Do you dream of making money while you sleep? Well, in this video, we'll be discussing the top 4 passive income streams for 2023. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. In this informative video, we're going to explore the top 4 passive income streams that are predicted to be highly lucrative in 2023. If you're looking for ways to earn money without putting in extra effort, then this is the video for you. We'll share with you the latest passive income ideas which can help you make money while you sleep. From affiliate marketing to dropshipping, we've got it all covered. You'll learn how to build a successful passive income stream and how it can change your life. Our experts will provide you with valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you take advantage of these passive income streams. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your income, this video is perfect for you. So buckle up and get ready to learn about the top 4 passive income streams for 2023 that can help you achieve your financial goals and create a better future for yourself and your loved ones. Don't miss this opportunity to make money while you sleep. First on the list is investing in stocks. With the rise in technology, it's easier than ever to invest in successful companies. By purchasing stocks, you can earn a dividend on your investment. And if the company grows, so will the value of your stock. Next up is rental properties. Owning rental properties can provide a steady source of income without the need for daily involvement. With careful property management, you can have tenants pay off your mortgage and earn a profit on top. Third on the list is affiliate marketing. Through affiliate marketing, you can promote products and receive a commission on each sale. With the growth in e-commerce, there are endless opportunities to become an affiliate for various companies and earn passive income. Finally, we have online courses and digital products. Creating an online course or writing and selling an ebook can provide a steady source of passive income for years to come. With the rise in online education and self-improvement, this is a great opportunity to share your expertise and earn money while you sleep. And that's it, folks, the top 4 passive income streams for 2023. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money.